Today we will solve practice set 6.3, question number 2, simplify. We will use the expansion, the factorization formula that we have learned, that is a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b cube. So here we will consider this whole as x, suppose, and this is 3a minus 5b, we will consider this as y. So this will become x cube minus y cube. And you know how to factorize x cube minus y cube. We have a formula in which we say that here we have considered x cube and y cube. So it will be x minus y. What is x here? 3a plus 5b. And what is y? 3a minus 5b. But I am putting in bracket because the signs inside the bracket will change because it is negative, children. Okay. This becomes x minus y. Then another bracket where we have x square. So what is x here? 3a plus 5b, the whole square, plus x into y. X is 3a plus 5b and y is 3a minus 5b, plus y square. Y square is 3a minus 5b is y. So we take a square of this. Now let's open this bracket. This will become 3a plus 5b. Since it is negative, the sign inside the bracket will change. This plus will become minus. This minus will become plus. Right? Now we'll open this bracket. We'll still put it in a square bracket. We need to use the formula a plus b the whole square, which is same as a square. What is square of 3a? 9a square, plus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 3a into 5b plus b square. What is b square? B square will become 25 b square. Now this we will use the expansion formula as a plus b and a minus b. You know what is a plus b and a minus b? A square minus b square. And we take a square as 3a here and b square, that is 5b square. Here we will use the formula a minus b the whole square, which is same as a square, that we will consider as a square, that is 3a square is 9a square, minus 2 into 3a into 5b plus 5b square, which is 25b square. Okay. Now we will just see if we can cancel few terms here. This is plus 3a and this is minus 3a. So this and this will get cancelled. 5b plus 5b will become 10b now. Okay, now we will solve this bracket. In bracket we have 9a square, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30ab plus 25b square plus 9a square, this 3a square will become 9a square, minus 25b square, 5b square will become 25b square, plus 9a square, minus 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, this is 30, sorry, 30ab plus 25b square. Now let us see if we can cancel few terms, like terms, 30ab and minus 30ab. This is plus and this is minus, so this will get cancelled. Here if you can see, this becomes 25b square, this is minus 25b square. So this and this will get cancelled here. Okay, now these are the remaining terms here. What are the remaining terms that we get here? Here we have 10b into the bracket. I'll just write all the like terms together. 9a square plus 9a square plus 9a square, we have one term here, and then we have plus 25b square. So this will become 9a square is 3 times, so we have 27a square plus 25b square. This is further simplified as we'll open the bracket 10b into 27a square will become 270 a square b. 10b into 25b square will become 250. B square into b will become b cube. Okay, so this is how we simplify. This sum can also be solved in another expansion formula, using another expansion formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. So we'll see the second question number 3 here. In question number 3 we will use the formula a plus b the whole cube. You already learned about a plus b the whole cube formula. What is a plus b the whole cube? It is same as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and we write the other terms as it is. Okay, I've just used the expansion formula a plus b the whole cube, which is same as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now here if you see this term get cancelled because they are like terms. A cube plus a cube minus a cube will get cancelled, and finally my answer is 3a square b plus 3ab square. We have one more sum wherein we will solve